In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a simple scrolling text animation in Figma. If you've ever wanted to add a dynamic feel to your text elements, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have learned to create an engaging scrolling effect with just a few steps using Figma's powerful design tools. Let's dive right in. Picture this. You've already created 2 lines of text, and your goal is to animate them with a smooth, scrolling effect. The first thing we need is a frame for our text. To do this, select the text, right-click, and choose the Frame Selection option. This way, we encapsulate our text in a structure that will aid in animation. Once you've framed your text, it's time to adjust the frame size. You want the frame to be just large enough to display only 1 line of text at a time. This creates the illusion of movement as one line disappears and another comes into view. Don't forget to check the Clip Content box. This ensures that any text outside the frame's bounds remains hidden. With the frame adjusted, the next step is to copy it. This duplicate will soon become our second frame of animation. Within this new frame, select the text box and drag it upward until only the subsequent line of text is visible. This sets the stage for the scrolling effect. Having set up our frames, the crucial next step is to select both and create a component set. This action is pivotal as it allows us to introduce a seamless animation between the 2 frames. The component set serves as a container where we can define interactions and transitions between our different states. Switch over to the Prototype tab and let's start adding some life to our text. Here you'll add connections between the frames. For a smooth transition, I recommend setting a 300 millisecond delay as the trigger, choosing Smart Animate for the animation type. This delay helps manage the flow and pace of the scrolling effect. Continuing in the Prototype tab, the second frame must be connected back to the first. This connection creates a loop, allowing the animation to cycle continuously, giving the impression of an endlessly scrolling text. Finally, it's time to test our creation. Place the component set into a test frame within your project. With everything in place, preview the animation to ensure it functions as expected. Sit back and enjoy the scrolling effect in action. And there you have it. You've successfully created a scrolling text animation in Figma. This technique is not only effective, but also elevates the dynamism of your design projects. Remember, animations like these can make a big difference in user engagement and visual appeal. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. Thanks for watching and happy designing.